Hey, so in this video, I'm going to show you how we can receive custom push notifications and use a visual KPI counter for Pipedrive. So, PingBell is a web and mobile application that allows you to create and receive custom push notifications whenever an event is logged on a specific app. This includes Pipedrive. With PingBell, your entire team can receive custom push notifications to their web browsers and their phones. Plus, they can watch a visual KPI counter increase every single time an event is logged, just like in TV shows and movies. So let's just get right into creating our custom Pipedrive notifications. Step 1 of this process is creating your free account at pingbell.io. Once logged in, you'll want to create your first PingBell simply by hitting the button in the middle of the page. Next, let's set the title and description of the PingBell. These will be shown whenever you do receive a notification from the app, as well as the text within the celebration page, which we'll go over later. Alright, next up, we will be selecting the custom notification sound you would like your phone to make each time you receive the notification. There are a bunch of sounds to choose from, so be sure to preview it by clicking on the sound. Being able to set a custom sound is extremely useful since you'll be able to tell what notification you are receiving without even having to look at your phone or computer. Lastly, you can invite other users to receive notifications from this PingBell by adding their email address or PingBell username in this box. If the user does not already have a PingBell account, they'll just receive an email guiding them to sign up. Sharing your PingBell notifications is a really effective way to keep your entire team in the loop in real time whenever important KPI events happen. For example, each time an opportunity is won within Pipedrive, your entire team will get notified right away. And there we have it. Our first ever PingBell is now created. If you ever want to create another one, just hit the bell icon at the bottom right of the screen to do so. Once created, you can click on the 3 dots beside your PingBell and then the pencil icon to edit the fields we just covered. So now that we have our PingBell set up, let's go over setting up our trigger with Pipedrive. This should only take a few minutes, and for each PingBell, you only have to do this process once. So let's go ahead and log into our Pipedrive account to arrive at our home screen. First, click on the drop-down menu on the left-hand side of the page. Now, let's go ahead and navigate to the automation section. This will actually bring us to a separate page, and from here, we can go to the webhook section. Now, all we need to do is create a new webhook and fill in the fields. We can select the event that will trigger the PingBell, such as a deal created. Then, we can name our webhook something just like PingBell. Finally, we just need to go back to our PingBell homepage and copy the URL of our PingBell that we just created by clicking on the 3 dots again and clicking on Copy URL. Now, back in the Pipedrive webhook page, we just need to paste that URL in the endpoint URL section. Then hit save. Sweet, now we have notifications rolling in. So now, let's go over PingBell's Celebration Page, the custom KPI counter. So within the web app on your PingBell homepage, you will see a celebration icon next to each PingBell. Click this and you'll be taken to the celebration page. To access the customizable settings, just hover your mouse to the right side of the screen to reveal the hidden menu. To enable the visual counter, simply go to the counter option and set it to enabled. The first 2 options affect the text on the screen. We can select 3 different types of messages when the PingBell is notified. First, you'll see that the text displayed is the title and description you set when creating the selected PingBell. Our first option is a static message. Choosing this option is common among streamers and companies that may want to display multiple counters side by side. The second one is a disappearing message, which will be displayed for a few seconds whenever the PingBell is notified. And the third option is a disappearing bubble, which, similar to the disappearing message, has its own wow and celebration effect, but is considered even more visually appealing than the disappearing message by some people. Both disappearing options will be displayed for about 5 seconds each time an action is registered on your PingBell. Next, we can select exactly which PingBell we want to be displayed on the screen. We can also select all, which means that your celebration page will be notified when any PingBell you've created is pinged. If you do select all, the message and counter will be disabled. We can also select the alignment or positioning of our text, like from the center to the bottom center, bottom right, etc. We can also do this with the counter. We can then select our font size and type. You have access to all of Google's fonts by typing into this field. Finally, we can set the colors to our page. First, let's select our background color. Then, we can go ahead and select our font, counter, and counter text color. You can see for each of these, we'll have access to a robust color wheel, so you can truly pick any color to fit your brand. The very last option allows you to set what the starting point of the counter will be. This allows you to accurately show the absolute number of actions your business has logged in its entire lifetime. For example, if your business has already logged 500 opportunities with Pipedrive, input 500 here, and the counter will continue growing from this baseline. Now just hit save, and whenever your ping bell is pinged, a fireworks animation will go off, the counter will go up, and if you have a disappearing message or bubble, they will last on screen for a few seconds. And there we have it, our own KPI counter for Pipedrive. Another great feature about PingBell is we can see our analytics for every single PingBell by clicking the graph icon next to each one. Here, we can see how many times that PingBell has been notified. We can choose to see the past 24 hours, 7 days, or 30 days. This is a great tool for keeping an eye on specific KPIs. Now you can utilize PingBell's custom notifications and KPI counter with Pipedrive. PingBell makes it possible to receive notifications for any KPI from thousands of websites and applications. So make sure to create your free account at pingbell.io to get started. Thanks so much for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos.